Hi there folks and welcome to Get Strumming. Now today we're going to have a look at the song Waterfall by the Stone Roses. It's a nice easy version this, but don't forget you can have a look at the membership which will teach you all about the riff, little different variations on the chord and loads of other bonus features that will help you become a brilliant ukulele player. And when you've mastered the chords, it should sound something like this. She'll carry on through it all, she's a waterfall. So there you go, there's the chorus, but we're going to have a look at the verse now. So to begin with, let's just have a look at the chords that we're going to be using. Now for this tutorial, we're going to use some nice easy chords. So we've got G major, then we've got C major, A minor, F major, and then a D7. So let's have a look at the strumming pattern now, because it's quite skippy and it's quite upbeat. So what I'm doing here is a down, up, down, 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 up, down. Might take you a few attempts to get this right, so I'll just slow it down again just so you can really take in what I'm showing you. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. So let's just practice that on the G chord first of all. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. So what we're aiming for is that strumming pattern throughout most of the song. So here we go. So there we go, that's the speed we're going to be playing it at. So let's have a look at the first verse. So it goes like this. G major. Chimes in Sunday morn. Today is the day she sworn. Now we're going to go to a C major to steal what she. Then we're going to go down to this chord here, which is a C major 7. So never could. And then A minor. And back to C, raise from this C major 7, hold she comes, then D major, from, and then back to the G. So let's go into another verse. So now we're going to start on the G again. Now you're at the wheel. Tell me how does it feel? Now to a C, so good to have, and then C major 7, equal, then A minor, eyes, 2, and then back to C, lift up the C major 7, lids of your, and then D major, eyes, then back to G. Now the next bit is the chorus, that she'll carry on through it all. So that bit is, we've gone to an F chord, she'll carry, then to C major, on through it, then D7, oh, she's a water, then back to G. And again, F, she'll carry, and then to C major, on through it, then D7, oh, she's a waterfall, back to G. So now we've got two of the verses and the chorus. We've got the chords up here now for you to follow. So let's just play it together now. So we're going to do 2 verses and the chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chimes in Sunday morn. Today is the day she sworn. where she comes from. Now you're at the wheel. Tell me how does it feel? So good to have equal eyes, to lift up the lids of your eyes. Now the chorus, she'll carry on through it all. She's a waterfall. And again, she'll carry on through it all. She's a waterfall. So there you go, that was Waterfall by the Stone Roses. Now the Stone Roses were really important. They really set the fire alight for bands like Oasis, Blur, all the Britpop era. The songs are great, they're really simple. You've just got a handful of chords, simple melodies, and they're really sort of great songs to learn on the ukulele. Absolutely just easy chords, easy chord shapes. And as I say, the melodies were great. Even though you had the intricate guitar lines by John Squire, the overall melodies and the chord shapes and the rhythm, just really easy to do. And a lot of people think that it's kind of a derogatory term when they say, oh, this melody's simple, or it's a little bit like a nursery rhyme. Much harder to write a simple song that's really popular and catchy than it is to do some convoluted, really intricate song. So we're going to do more Stone Roses later on, so don't forget to check out all the tutorials on the Get Strumming website. Take care for now.